The United States of America, say, Madam Sedinam Tamakloe-Attionu, why ready for Ghana? Omo de number on my Ghana, muse almost 7 to 10 years sentence, no. And I'm say, Johnny free, sir, ne bonny a wedding ho. Aha, ye the munche munina be ma meno, your friend of Madam Sedinam, no, Jumedi Ben and Anno D, edema on my Ghana. I finish in the case in a saying, DNT, enema me, and ne. Ne ho actually ni say a USA ye de na be piem e wo my Ghana on be service 10 years we aha eso media di munche mu nyina ebe ma na answer na don't forget so be subscribe and afin so why hit on the notification bell so that be adan den nyina di videos e bi page ma on sa e betimi aka afin so wi a mesero pa say obekopi are renters jumedi bi a wudi bia go through their services na pick your number no mo no be di juma so kokra na emboa me no mienu. Let's get back to an story no. So Madam Sedinam Tamakloe-Attionu oye obia oye government appointee a Mahama ansana akufado eba no Mahama 2013-2016 between these ages no Mahama appointee ne say onkohe MASLOC microfinance and small loan center jumedi omudia ne say omoma manfo sika omo a afena abrabo no ma be start omo business ye ma amene ma omo dwom jumedi bia omo di no omo ma omo sika se de be ya omo dada jumedi a omo di no ebetimi aye kama pa na ma mi na jumedi a ewo se odi edebo oman Ghana no ono de ne dia na oya ne se obedi sika enti ni cases ni bi ese kantamanto marketer ehye no Mahama maniska se onfanko boa manfo a omonyoma ehye maame no edi sika ne mu bi de kakra bi ene koye maame no nso afen so enyoma e wo se ototo na ode boa ma onjumadie as an organization kama no maame no enyoma no na o inflate prices no ode boni bi yeden ka ho afen so maame no otimi create ghost names na ode penska otua no ho ka es gracia unlawful we ni evidences bebrebe ana ekotia no bra akufado ebefro akunya as president of the Republic of Ghana no attorney general the then attorney general Godfred Yeboah dame started the evidences ema court say mami wadi sika na wo se emra na ewo oman Ghana mu eni ni dino sa enkomo no started say ekoso na ye friend mami ne wo court na mami ne lawyer erebetu dwa say ne ho emfa no nti okwakọ sa no ho yare mami ne ekoye no ya ntene nka bi we na 2024 General Attorney Godfred Yeboah eko jinemo court 2024 na court ebua se mame no ampa waye convicted enyoma ye de atoni su nyina ampa wadi se sika no nti onkodam 10 years absentia na yese yedi sa case no na mame no oni ehonom ebra wadwane a ode ne ho akohye US a ode ne ho akwakosie na we actually no na US embassy ebe release statement a omo kire mu say Ghana mo extradition a mo started 2024 by Godfred Yeboah na Mahama nso be fra kunya 2025 no ne attorney general and say ne general attorney no ono nso edi san komo we echi esa survey US letter na say ebo mo nka mu say omo guso processes na January na USA edebetu ja mu say omo deteni Madam Sedinam baby a omo hwehwe ne nkrata mu make sure say omo de ne beba be pie oman Ghana mu na June year mu ankasa na USA US embassy mu chemu ese omo de maame no aba oman Ghana mu a ombe serve ne 10 years no na ansana no deputy attorney general ebra na akufo eteso no Alfred Etua ebra mu di case ni wie ya 2024 maame ne convicted a onkodam 10 years no na general attorney Alfred editu jase o ma start extradition processes a o mo pese o mo kofo maame ne ba na obedem 10 years.
This reflection is that she brought down to face the sentence. No problem at all.
Has the process begun already or you're now going to?
We've started the process, and with this judgment, that's going to speed up the process. And you know, Ghana, we have various laws. You can just stay away. But so far as we have laws relating to how you can extradite from one country to Ghana, in case there's a judgment against like this one, rest assured that should be brought down to face justice.
We know that when it comes to extradition, it deals more with the treaty that you have with the country the person is residing in. Can you throw some more light when it comes to the processes with respect to US and Ghana, where she is?
I may not throw us so much for you, but we have the MLA, Mutual Legal Assistance, US, we have that treaty with them. So very soon, we hear about the results. So just rest assured and keep monitoring the space.
But has the state not been proactive with this? The judge appeared not happy that you had to wait all this while.
I think the state attorneys are here. In the course of the trial, they made it known to the court that the issue of extradition may be tackled. But the preoccupation was to make sure the matter proceeded to finality. And today, we come to that state. And so we're going to take that next step. When it comes to extradition, sometimes you start and have some kind of problems, blocks. The person may choose to appeal all manner of things, but this is the situation where we have final judgment. It's not as if you are being brought here to be tried, or you can raise all the defense out there that maybe they are going to persecute you or whatever, but it's a judgment. And so that's why I said, you hold on. Very soon, to be brought down to Ghana to face justice.
What will you say to those who say Mr. Azim has been treated unfairly? I mean, from the traces of money, it's just 20,000 cedis that he received, and that was even a gift.
It matters not. It can be 1 cedi. Was it properly received? This one is a form of advice and caution to all public office holders that when it comes to money matters, you must be very, very careful. You may want to say you receive only 20,000 Ghana cedis as a gift. Were you supposed to receive that money? What was that money meant for? Were you the one who issued the vouchers, as the court said? So this judgment, I recommend that those of us in public office must procure copies and then read so that we know our responsibilities. Because today, you may think that you've not been caught. When you are caught, definitely the law will deal with you as well. Had it today.
In fact, prosecution was, as it were, advocating for maximum punishment in relation to the sentencing. If you look at the sentencing that was handed down by the court, are you satisfied with that?
10 years is reasonable in the circumstance. I'm not going to quarrel about it for now, but we'll take the full judgment and read. But 10 years is something that's reasonable in the circumstance. But if need be, that there's a need for an enhancement, why not? But at the moment, from what we've listened to and what we've learned from the judgment, 10 years is reasonable. And the other accused person also had 5 years cumulatively. So let's see what happens.
The state has been advised to issue forfeiture proceedings. Has the state taken this up?
We are going to follow it up. Any property that the first accused person has within the jurisdiction or outside jurisdiction, if you get hold of it, we're going to pursue that property and get the money for the state.
By way of clarity, the court says the judgment should be should take place concurrently. Does that apply to the fines?
No, the fines are separate. And if you listen to the judge, some of them, they had sentences and a fine.
Enti saa na etie extradition processes a na yepese yede madam Tamakloe ebepi o my Ghana mu no started 2024 ebra yedi na asem na 2025 Mahama General Attorney aye Dr. Dominic Ayeni ono nso ena yebisa se na Attorney General de bia oka kenofori atasem wankasa o madam a ono kra yebua ne se o medem 10 years kra wakodi USA ena General Attorney Erebabe Tuja Parliament November of 2025. HM said Debbie Obetene Kunyano Sono, the MP before ye on also the Chiri.
Office, that is the Office of the Attorney General, is awaiting the execution of our request to have her extradited to serve her prison sentence in Ghana. The International Cooperation Unit of the Attorney General's Department followed up on our request from the Department of Justice, the United States of the United States of America in September 2025. So if there is any impression being created that I am not taking any steps, this is the evidence that in September, that is just a month ago, I took the step of inquiring from the United States Justice Department the steps that they were taking in respect of the extradition. And they indicated that they are following their extradition procedures in executing the request, and that the fugitive would be extradited as soon as they have satisfied all the procedures. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Enti esa mission na say reaction nyina ne say this one enye call say yeni agi say party we na akofa nipa we aba but there was say eyene say this a call for a wake up Emma Ghana yempani for say yesere ni de mu say yesika no say ebe come sa taxpayers money manfo dwadifo omuti awiemu manfo a se bi omu ni bi sika ene ye de amount say fabu oman no mesere se mumienja oman ni sika di na Ghana betima e better Ghana yenyina ye betimi eni ayede age ho aha MASLOC media don't forget to subscribe and afin so hit on the notification bell dan den nyina the videos and stories be say ebebro and my crowd show ho see pa e fama me